You're watching Ride the Teacups, and today we are visiting Bearizona. Woohoo! Let's go! It's been super cool so far. We've done the drive-through, at least first thing in the morning. We'll go do that again because you can go as many times as you want through that drive-through. We're about to do the walk-through area next. I'm really excited to see what it is they've got. And during this time, we are right in the middle of COVID things. Masks are only required indoors, which is kind of nice, but all the shows are canceled, so we don't get to see any like the cool Birds of Prey shows. But we'll make do, that's okay. On to the walkthrough attractions. The show is to the right, everything else to the left. The shows are canceled. I say we go left. The picnic area. Their names are Gurley, Calvin, and Hobbs. Come on in. Not really. Come inside. Closed. Nope. See all their Halloween decorations? Pretty cool, dude. No, we cannot go in there. Because see the big ropes? That's telling you to stay out of there. I think maybe that's the mama. What do you think? Right here on the box? Of course, you can't come up to Northern Arizona without seeing the pink Jeep tours. If you haven't done a pink Jeep tour, you really should. They're not sponsored, they're just super cool. Very pretty, but I think the cats are sleeping. Well, it turns out there are a whole lot of bees, basically everywhere. So it got very hard to eat. So we jumped back in our car to have ourselves a little lunch picnic in the back of our van. Sounds like fun. So our day here at Bearizona is done. Say hi to my buddy. We're about to take off. We had a great day. So much stuff to do. Even though some of the different things are closed from the pandemic, the petting zoo was down, the shows were down, the buses were down. There's still so much to do here. And just really enjoyed absolutely everything. A few bees, but other than that, it's pretty good. Hit subscribe button down below. We'll see you next time we ride the teacups. Thank you guys so much for walking through Bearizona with us. We hope it's been a lot of fun for you, just as much as it has been for us. If you like content like this, first off, hit the subscribe button, the little red button that's right below this video. We would love to have you along, and we are trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year, 2021. We would love to have you involved in that. And if you want to support the channel in kind of a bigger way than just subscribing, we'd really appreciate you considering it. Maybe just something as simple as buy me a coffee. You can actually find a link in the description down below. Just buymeacoffee.com/ridetheteacups. It's a really easy way to help our channel that goes a really long way. We really appreciate it if that's something you're considering doing. It's a one-time deal. You don't have to make an account or do any type of like recurring anything. No, none of that nonsense. It's just real simple. If you like what you see and you want to support it, buy us a coffee. Thank you so much for thinking about that. For more content just like this on Ride the Teacups, you can hit the subscribe button right here, and we would love to get you more videos. If you want to see our drive-through of Bearizona and complete the experience once it's available, you can click right here. We'll have that for you. And for more of what we do here on Ride the Teacups, normally we're in the theme parks of the Disney variety, right here for you. Thank you guys so much for watching and being a part. We will see you next time we ride the teacups.